Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix ChatGPT speaking language problem. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, let's go and go to the bottom left, click on our profile. And then in here, go click on settings. Alright, click on settings. And in here, we are going to click on general and then language. Click on this drop down and make sure that you select the correct language, not auto detect. And if you're planning to speak with a ChatGPT using English, well, go ahead and select English right here. And then once that's done, you should be good to go. Now, let's say, for example, you go ahead and enter a chat right here. You said hi. And then ChatGPT right here misinterprets the language. It could be sometimes in or during a voice mode. Right, when you go ahead and click on this use voice function. All right, say hello.
Hello, Ryan.
All right, so let's say we have ChatGPT voice chat right here open. You can just go ahead and click on the voice settings right here at the top right. And then go ahead and click on language. And besides it, you have auto detect. Make sure that you select the correct language from here. And still, if it misinterprets the language, well, ask ChatGPT right here to change the language manually. Or you can tell ChatGPT voice chat right here. Hello, can you change the language to Filipino?
Sige, lilipat na ako sa Filipino.
There you have it. That's how simple it is to fix ChatGPT speaking language problem. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.